Welcome to this screencast on how to send SMS messages from PC to a mobile phone using the Twilio SMS Gateway API and Java SDK. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to develop a SMS software or applications that connects to the SMS center or SMS gateway of a wireless carrier or SMS service provider and then sends messages using a protocol interface supported by that service provider. First and foremost, pause this tutorial and visit this web page before continuing with this video. For this tutorial, you'll need: first, Twilio trial account. Second, the NetBeans IDE. Third, Java SE development kit. Fourth, Twilio Java helper library. Just watch the video till the end. I'll walk you through each step. First, sign up for your free Twilio trial account. The sign-up process includes verifying your personal phone number. This is a security measure that is mandatory before you can try Twilio. Twilio gives you a small preloaded balance to test out Twilio's functionality. You will not be charged for Twilio phone numbers or usage until you upgrade. To send an SMS, you will need a phone number from Twilio. On your trial account you can get one free USA or Canada phone number. You must verify any phone numbers you wish to send SMS messages to while in trial mode. This is an extra security measure for trial accounts that they remove once you upgrade your account. You may verify as many phone numbers as you like. You can use either your Twilio number or a verified caller ID as your from number. Remember, you can only send messages to verified phone numbers when you're in trial mode. Review your SMS geo permissions to make sure the target country you're sending messages to is enabled. Before you send SMS, you need account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number. They can be found on your account dashboard in the Twilio console. Because all Java development in the IDE takes place within projects, we first need to create a new project within which to store sources and other project files. We will name our project SMS Kite. After creating the new application, you may have noticed that the source packages folder in the projects window contains an empty default package node. To proceed with building our interface, we need to create a Java container within which we will place the other required GUI components. In this step we'll create a container using the JFrame component. Now that you have successfully built the SMS Kite GUI, you can try your interface to see the results. You can preview your form as you work by clicking the Preview Form button in the GUI Builder's toolbar. The form opens in its own window, allowing you to test it prior to building and running. In the next exercise, we are going to give functionality to our application. In order to give function to the button, we have to assign an event handler to it to respond to events. In our case, we want to know when the button is pressed, either by mouse click or via keyboard. So we will use Action Listener responding to action event. Let's continue. Next, see if the build output concludes with the statement build successful. Congratulations! You have successfully compiled your program. Let's test the SMS Kite application by running it from the IDE, but first, you need to set the main class so that you can run the project. Once you have finished developing the application and before you distribute it, package all of the classes and libraries into a single jar file. The users of your application should be able to run it by double-clicking the jar file. Now that you have verified that the application works outside of the IDE, you are ready to distribute it. Send the application's jar file to the people who will use the application. Viewers, you may download the source code of SMS Kite application by clicking the link provided in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Goodbye.